Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm revisiting the Amazfit T-Rex Pro here in blue and desert gray. I actually bought these watches right when they were first released. I've owned them for years, and now that we're in 2026, the big question is simple. Are they still worth buying today? Let's talk about it. First, build quality. These watches are still solid. After years of use, they've held up really well. No cracked screens, buttons still feel firm, and the rugged design still looks good on the wrist. The blue version still stands out and looks sporty. The desert gray looks more rugged and blends well with outdoor gear. Durability is still one of their biggest strengths. They're water-resistant, they handle dust, and they're built for tough environments. Now let's talk fitness tracking. GPS tracking is still accurate, workout tracking is reliable, heart rate tracking is consistent, SpO2 tracking still works well. But one feature that really surprised me even years later is sleep tracking. Sleep tracking is very accurate, and yes, it even records naps. If you take a short nap during the day, the watch picks it up automatically. That's something even some newer watches still struggle with. Battery life is another big win. Even in 2026, I'm still getting around 10 to 18 days depending on usage. In a world of daily charging, this is still impressive. Now, let's be honest about the downsides. There's no speaker and no microphone, so you can't take calls on the watch. There's no voice assistant, and the app ecosystem is limited compared to newer smartwatches. If you want advanced health features like ECG or cutting-edge AI health insights, this is not the watch for you. So, are they still worth buying in 2026? Yes, if you want a rugged watch, great battery life, accurate fitness tracking, and reliable sleep tracking that even detects naps. But no, if you want a fully smartwatch with calls, apps, and AI features. For the right person, the Amazfit T-Rex Pro is still a solid choice. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!